Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you run a WooCommerce store, you've probably wondered how to give your customers more transparency, like showing them the price history of your products. Maybe you want to highlight discounts or build trust by proving your fair prices. In today's video, I will walk you through how to show the WooCommerce price history step by step. Stick around because your store will feel more professional and customer-friendly by the end. Let's dive in. For this tutorial, we will use a WC Price History plugin. It is a free plugin that you can download from the WordPress Plugins repository. Once you have completed the activation, you can see the plugin's settings under the WooCommerce section here. Now, let's configure the plugin. The main things we will be enabling are display minimal price on single product page and main shop page, always display minimal price, days to count, 30, minimal price text. You can tweak the options based on your requirements, and once you are done with it, save the changes. Now you can go to the front end of the website and check the Shop Archive page. Under each product, you will be able to see a lowest price based on your configuration. Next, you can open individual product pages and you will see the 30-day low price there too. And that's it. You now know how to show WooCommerce price history using a plugin. Your customers will love the transparency, and your store will feel more legit. Have you tried this before? Drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WooCommerce tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.